This bearded dragon is 3 months old. He is a male. Bearded dragons live an average of 8 to 10 years. They grow an average of 24 inches. Fun fact, you can purchase a harness for fully grown dragons and take them on walks. You must mist the inside of the cage 2 to 3 times a day. You must clean the cage once or a few times a week. Change their water daily. Dragons display emotion differently from lizards and snakes. They are very friendly reptilians. Let them explore a secluded space outside their cage every now and then. Just make sure it's supervised and without any stressful creatures. They only eat live worms, crickets, veggies, and fruit. Baby dragons only eat about 2 to 3 worms per day and 3 to 4 crickets a day. Here I'm using chopsticks for the live crickets and worms. I dusted calcium on the worms. You can use tweezers or your hands. For the worms to live longer, store the worms in a secluded area in your fridge. Worms can start to eat each other. Feed the crickets a piece of lettuce until your dragon is ready to eat.
No, no, no. Okay.